Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Suci Fitriani from class M86 and my name 1947241041. Here I would like to present my research paper with the title Application of Congklak Media on Social Study Learning Outcomes of Class 4 Student at SD Negeri 31 Lau, Sanrobone, Subdistrict Takalar Regency. But before I continue my presentation, I would like to say thank you for my academic advisor, Mr. Detrandus Lutfi BMKes, Mr. Detrandus Nasaruddin MPD. Okay, without any further ado, let's get started. Chapter 1, Formulation of the Problem. How is the application of Congklak Media to social study learning outcomes of class 4 student at SD Negeri 31 Lau, Sanrobone, Subdistrict Takalar Regency? Chapter 2, Theoretical Review. The nature of learning media, the essence of Congklak, the nature of learning outcomes, the essence of social study. From word, Low Social Study Learning Outcomes for Class 4 Student at SD Negeri 31 Lau, Takalar Regency. Teacher aspect, student aspect, steps for implementing Congklak Media, social study learning outcomes increase. Chapter 3, Research Method. Qualitative Approach, Class Action Research Card, Place of State 31 Lau, Primary School, Sanrobone District, Takalar District, Data Analysis Technique, Data Reduction, Data Presentation, Data Withdrawal. Chapter 4, Research Result. Learning Outcomes in Cycle 1 of Class 4 Student at SD Negeri 31 Lau, Sanrobone District, Takalar Regency for Social Studies Subject. There are 14 students who go a score of 70-100 with a percentage of 66,67%, while students there were 7 people who got a score of 0-59 with a percentage of 33,33%. The result of student evaluations in Cycle 2 showed that among 21 people students, there were 17 people 80,95% who complete score 70 and above, while there were 4 students who had not complete 19,4%. Success rate 80,95% is at a vulnerable 76% sampai 100% success stable with good qualifications B. Chapter 4, Discussions. Based on preliminary data, students learning in social studies subject in class 4 show general information that social study learning outcomes are still low. The low students' learning outcomes are caused by only teacher-centered learning. Students only receive material or concept without making a contribution, which has a negative impact on student learning outcomes. Based on the result of the application of Congklak Media to the social study learning outcomes of class 4 students at SD Negeri 31 Lau, Sanrobone District, Takalar Regency, the teacher directs students to use the steps of Congklak Media. The result of the research show that learning media is one of several factors that can improve learning outcomes. Chapter 5, Consolation. The result of the research show that the Congklak Media in social study learning provide positive things for students. When the Congklak Media is implemented, students play with enthusiasm and work together. When working on the questions that are obtained when the Congklak game is played and are also united together. Student learning outcomes increase in social studies subject through the application of Congklak Media in Class 4 of SD Negeri 31 Lau, Sanrobone District, Takalar Regency. The aim of improving learning outcomes is that in Cycle 1, it is qualified as incomplete, and in Cycle 2, it is qualified as complete. The completeness of student social study learning outcomes has classically achieved the predetermined indicator of success. Chapter 5, Suggestions for Teacher. So that the application of Congklak Media can be effective, teachers should consider the advantage and disadvantage of this model. For future researchers, it is expected develop Congklak learning media on other materials found in elementary school learning. Thank you.